In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your workflow using ClickUp automations. We'll be walking through each step in detail to ensure you can easily set up and start optimizing your tasks, freeing up time for more important things. So, let's get started. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to ClickUp. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to get to your main dashboard. Once you're in, you will see various features organized in an intuitive layout on ClickUp's homepage. Now, from here, to set the foundation for your automation, you'll want to click on either List or Spaces. This action allows you to focus on the particular areas where you plan to apply automation. Lists and spaces are basically your areas for collaboration and task management, so choose the ones most relevant to your workflow objectives. Next, you'll see the option to click on Automate. This selection is crucial as it brings you to the central hub for creating automations. Automations can help streamline repetitive tasks, minimize manual inputs, and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. If you're interested in leveraging artificial intelligence for your automation, you'll want to click on Create AI field. This step will enable you to incorporate AI capabilities into your automations, potentially allowing for more dynamic task management or enhancements according to personal or team-specific workflows. After setting up your AI fields, or if you choose to proceed without them, it's time to click on Create Automation. Clicking here will open up a range of automation possibilities that can greatly enhance how efficiently tasks are managed. Within the next screen, you'll focus on either tasks or subtasks. Consider what areas within your workflow need refinement or have repetitive tasks, and make your selection accordingly. This specificity ensures that your automation efforts are targeted and effective. The core of setting up your automation lies in choosing a trigger. You have to decide what specific conditions or events in ClickUp will launch the automation, be it the creation of a new task, the completion of a project phase, or even a change in status. Defining your trigger accurately is essential for broadening the scope of automation. Finally, select the action that occurs when the trigger is met. This step is where you define the automated response. A crucial moment, deciding how the automation will serve you best. Whether that's sending notifications, updating statuses, or moving tasks to different phases, choosing the right action solidifies the harmony in your automated ClickUp ecosystem. And there you have it. You've just gone through the steps to create automations in ClickUp. With these tools, you can now automate mundane tasks and focus your energy on what really matters, driving productivity and streamlining workflows. Thanks for watching, and be sure to apply these steps to tailor ClickUp automations to best suit your needs.